Create promotional videos about your products and services and add calls to action to direct your viewers to your sales funnel. All it takes is a few clicks. Make working with creators easier and fun by using VideoCom Capture to add annotations and comments to any mockups you receive. Reward your loyal customers and clients with newsletters that include any promotional deals or special rates you are offering via a video presentation that's more engaging than a long-winded email. Finding it hard to lock down a time to meet with a potential client? Make time zone management a thing of the past by recording pitches and sharing them with the client. Feedback and follow-up questions can be handled via the comments section. Create live or recorded demos of your products using VideoCom Presenter. Capture your desktop or display any web-based products using the web source. Share your customers' success stories. They can quickly record and share their own usage of your product using VideoCom Capture.